Are you ready to build a stunning website like this, or this? We will do it from scratch in just 10 minutes, and most importantly without any coding experience. So it doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner and want to create a new website. This video will definitely help you. Plus stick around this video for a $249 special gift. Just like to cook some noodles, we need a bowl, some noodles, water and fire. Same. To create a WordPress website, we need 4 key ingredients. A domain name, which is going to be the name of your website. Hosting, where we will going to host the whole website, and a WordPress theme, which is really important, and some essential plugins. Don't worry, I will guide you with all these things in this video. And just because you are special, we have a special gift for you, because by purchasing the WordPress hosting from the link in the description, you will not only get the hosting, but you will also get a domain name for free, and I will give you a $249 of premium WordPress theme for absolutely free, which is a Divi theme, which comes with a Divi builder. So creating a WordPress website using Divi builder is one of the most easiest way to build a website. And not just this, I will also provide you with a list of some essential free plugins that you are going to use to build a website. One of the first steps is to acquire a domain name and a hosting. And nowadays, many hosting providers, including Hostinger, offers a free domain name for a year when purchasing a 1-year plan. This means that if you choose to purchase a 1-year plan from Hostinger, you will be able to register a domain name for free for the duration of that year. Now, I have chosen Hostinger as my preferred hosting provider due to its cost effectiveness and superior features. Additionally, their edge panel is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it accessible for even beginners. If you are considering other hosting providers and would like our guidance, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to assist you. Now, to purchase a hosting, come to hosting, click on web hosting, and you will land on this page. Now scroll down, and for 139 rupees per month, you will be able to host 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, 25,000 monthly visitors, free email, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited database, unlimited free SQL, website builder, free backups, free domain name, and it comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, where if you are not satisfied with their service, you can claim your refund. They claim 99.90% uptime with DNS management and 100 subdomains. And if you are purchasing it from the link in the description without costing you anything extra, you will get a free Divi theme, which costs around $249. Now, to purchase the hosting, click on Add to Cart, select time period according to your need. If you can use the coupon code KRIPESH and click on apply. As you can see, we got a massive discount. Now we will purchase the hosting, but before that you have to create an account. You can create an account by the Google, Facebook, or using your email address. And now select your payment method and now click on submit secure payment. Now after paying the payment and successfully purchasing the hosting, they will ask you some questions and you have to answer them, and then now, if you want to create a brand new website, select the create a new website section. Then you have to choose the platform, choose WordPress, because we are going to create the website using WordPress. Now to create a WordPress account, enter an email address and a password. Now skip this option. Now choose any theme you want. Now claim your domain name that comes with Hostinger's annual plan. Click on select, search the domain name that you want to purchase, and if it is available, click on continue. Selecting your servers is one of the most important steps, and you should know from which region most of your visitors will come from. In my case, I selected the Singapore servers because they are fast and located in Asia, where I am targeting most of my audience. And if you are targeting visitors from a different region, be sure to select servers that are located in that area for the best result. Now, check all these settings and click on finish setup. Now to register the domain name, you have to enter some of your details and then click on next step. And hooray, we have successfully registered our domain name. Now click on manage site and you will land on this page. Now hooray, our website is live. To check that, just click on this and it's live on the internet. But it's not enough, because we are going to create some pages, and to do that we have to log in our WordPress dashboard. So come to WordPress, click on dashboard, but before that we will install the SSL certificate. It is very important. Install an SSL certificate, and from the speed and security option you will find an install button. Just you have to click on that button and your SSL certificate will be automatically installed in your website. What is SSL certificate? As you can see, if I come to my domain name and click on that lock icon, you will find that it is logged. It means we have successfully installed the SSL certificate. Now this is what we have been waiting for, because we are going to create pages for our WordPress website like landing page, home page, contact us page, privacy policy page, and more. Now, as I promised at the beginning of this video that I would give you the Divi premium theme for free, and now you can download it by clicking on the link in the description. And to create a page, first we have to log in our WordPress dashboard. Just click on edit website and you will land on your WordPress dashboard. Now we will install the Divi theme. I hope you have downloaded the theme from the link in the description. Just click on appearance, themes, click on add new, click on upload theme and choose the file. Now click on install now. It may take some time to install the theme. Now we have successfully installed the theme. Now click on activate. Now we will create pages for our web. Go to pages, click on add new. Don't worry, creating a page with Divi is one of the easiest way to do it, because Divi comes with a Divi builder and it has hundreds of pre-made layouts. Let us create the home page. Click on use Divi builder. Now if you are a complete beginner, I would really suggest you to watch this video to know how this theme works and how you can create amazing website using Divi builder. Now right now I am skipping it. You can take the tour. Now you will find three options: build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, and clone existing page. Just because we are going to choose from pre-made layouts, and we just have to edit some text and images, so creating a website using pre-made layouts is very straightforward. Now click on browse layout, and as you can see, there are more than 2100 layouts available within Divi, and you can choose any layout you want. Suppose you want to create a business website, right? So just click on business and here you will find different layouts. Now according to your industry, you can choose from their list. Now let me select a layout. If you want to create a restaurant website, just click on this. Now after you click on use this layout, they will import the menu option, contact, landing page, about, blog, and home. Everything is just ready for you. This is how Divi builder is one of the easiest way to create a website. Now just click on use this layout, and they will ask for the username and API key. And if you have purchased the hosting from the link in the description, send me an email to this with the screenshot that you have purchased the hosting, and I will share the username and the API key with you. Now after you enter the details, you will be able to import the layouts, and it might take some time to import it. So we have successfully imported our layout, and after you import it, you will be able to change anything you want, from text to image, and you can change the size of the text, the size of the image, the colors, the background, everything just by drag and drop. Like if I want to change the title, I just have to click on it and I can change it. That's simple. It's really easy to edit or create some beautiful pages using Divi. You can change buttons, numbers, call to action, everything. Special thing about Divi theme is you don't need any coding language to do all these things. But still, if you are having issue while creating pages using Divi build, there are hundreds of videos on YouTube and you can watch them and create your first WordPress page. Now after your page is ready, just publish it and visit the page. So creating a WordPress website using a Divi builder is not a rocket science. Anyone with a little technical knowledge can do that, and there are hundreds of videos available. If you don't even know any coding language, you can still do it. Now to set the page as a home page, scroll down, go to settings, click on reading, and now go to static page. From the home page setting, click on select and select the home page, and then save changes. So whenever you open your website, your home page will open. And to do some important settings in the Divi theme, go to your WordPress dashboard, scroll down, and you will find a Divi option. Click on it, and from the theme option, you can change the logo, fix navigation bar, and many things. You can upload a new logo from here and change the colors and fonts and all these things, navigation, builder, layout, SEO, and you can do all these settings from just a single panel and just save setting. Now to add features and functionality in our website, we need plugins. Plugins are nothing but just some extra tools or programs that we can add in our website to give it new features. They are like special apps for our website. Just like how you can download apps on your phone to do different things, they can help you to add things like contact forms, social media buttons, and other cool stuff to your website. It's easy to use, just like how you can easily download an app on your phone, you can add a plugin to your website with just a few clicks. Now to add a plugin to your website, just come to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, click on add new, and you will find hundreds of plugins. Now search the plugin that you want to download. I searched Rank Math. It is one of the best SEO plugin. Click on install now, then click on activate. This is how you can download a plugin in your WordPress website. I hope this video helped you in creating a WordPress website, and I tried to cover all the basics that you need to create a website, from purchasing a domain name, hosting, setting a WordPress website. For themes, I gave you the Divi theme, which is one of the best theme and the lightest theme available in the market. And for the plugins, it depends on the type of website you want to create, as different industries may require different plugins. But if you're facing any issue while creating your website, let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you with that. But if you want us to create a tailored made website for you, you can visit the link in the description to get in touch with us.